Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to write a summary. I will talk about how to write a summary. First, I will show you how to write a summary by looking at the next, then read the text, break it down into sections. Next, identify the key point of the text, then write a summary and check it again. Finally, summary is done. To summarize the main point, a summary is a brief summarization of large work that gives the reader a comprehensive understanding. Find the key point of summary is good strategy to write summary. Do you have any question?
I want to ask, number one, what makes a good summary? And number two, how to find the key points of summary? Thank you.
Thanks for the question. I will answer. Number one, a good summary should be comprehensive, coherent, and independent. And number two, first find the main idea, keep it brief, and make it flow. Thanks for coming. Thank you very much for listening.
Hello, it's great to see you all here today. In this presentation, I want to tell you about one of the park in Palembang, Kambang Iwa. In the city of the Palembang, there is a park that is quite famous. The park is called Kambang Iwa. This park is famous as a place for jogging. Not only as a place for jogging, Kambang Iwa is also used as a place to play and hang out. We can enjoy the view of the pond that surrounds the park with a bridge in the middle. Not only that, there we will also see the trader who open a stand across from the park. Various canned foods will tempt park visitors. Kambang Iwa is always crowded, especially on weekends. In conclusion, if you want to jogging or hang out and you want some food too, you can visit Kambang Iwa Park. Okay, do you have any question?
I like to ask, number one, is the food in Kambang Iwa so cheap or expensive? Number two, how about children? Can they come to the park?
Okay, thanks for the question. And I want to answer number one. In my opinion, the food in Kambang Iwa is sold at a cheap price. And number two, of course, not only teenagers and adults, you can also meet children in this park because there is an area for children to play. So don't worry if you won't take children in this park. Okay, that was my presentation, and thank you very much for listening.